locksmith is an installer and consultant who specializes in locks and related items. As a locksmith, you are responsible for various activities, such as counterfeiting keys, advising on security locks, building security locks, and installing locks on people. In addition, a locksmith can help to open doors if people have forgotten their keys, or if a lock no longer works. Other activities of a locksmith can again be selling and placing hinges and locks. Opening safes can also be part of the work of a locksmith. A locksmith is therefore usually an all-round specialist in the field of locks and related items. A locksmith has a great responsibility when it comes to advising people. A good locksmith will also have the police mark safe living. The work of a locksmith can be regarded as specialist work, because the construction and installation of locks must be carried out according to the correct guidelines. This is because locks otherwise do not offer the right security. Think, for example, of using the right screws, length and strength, with regard to locks, and of applying locking bolts that belong to the locks. In most cases, a locksmith will have to be seen as an all-round lock specialist, who can also be regarded as a middleman. This means that a locksmith has his own shop in which various locks and related items are sold. Consider, for example, general hardware, such as various fasteners. In addition, most locksmiths have their own emergency service. Most locksmiths can also be classified as PKVW advisor.